Good day, tech readers. Today I'm talking about one of my favorite product categories, headphones. I have an embarrassingly large collection of headphones. That makes me something of a connoisseur, I have to say. And this product here has been one of my sleeper hits for the last 2 years. The first time I tested these out was almost a year ago, and they've been one of my favorite products ever since. In fact, they're still ranked number 2 on Tech Magazine's top 5 list for earphones. So what makes these so special? Well, for one thing, they're under 1,000 Rand. That's very unusual these days for me to find a pair of headphones that satisfies my criteria under 1,000 Rand. But on top of that, of course, they're wireless. So wireless headphones under 1,000 Rand, another box to be ticked there. Here are another few reasons why you might find this a really good pair of headphones for you. They have great sound. Headphones are nothing without great sound. Doesn't matter what other features they have. If they don't have great sound, what's the point? These sound really good. They punch much higher, much heavier than their 900 Rand price tag, which is one of the reasons they've made our top list. We're all about the value at Tech Magazine. They're also very comfortable. Of course, like most headphones these days, they come with a variety of tips. They only come with another spare set other than this one, but we found they're really soft and great to wear for prolonged periods. That matters a lot to us. The most important feature of all is this cable management system. It's like a plastic collar. The headphones come fitted with this plastic collar. You might find it a limitation, but actually we found that cable management contributes a lot to our experience. It's fitted thus, very comfortable around the neck, and it allows you to wear your headphones with great ease. And if someone talks to you, simply remove, dangle, stir your pot, chat to your colleagues, and when you're good to go. So we think cable management's a great idea. No tangling. Every time you take them out the bag, you're having to untangle your earphones. Not these. These never tangle. You take them out and put them on. The headphones can be removed from the collar, but we wouldn't recommend that. We find it just leads to chaos. And you probably wouldn't want to use these for sports either. That's not really what they're designed for. There are other dedicated earbuds for sports, and you can read about those in Tech Magazine as well. The most important thing we found is that these delivered great sound over a prolonged period of time. We're not sure we would get the white ones. They kind of get grubby after a week or two. They're also available in black, so maybe you want to consider that. And for a price tag of 900 Rand, the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 wireless headphones, still one of our favorite products ever.